we're gonna install these Lasfit LED lights for the reverse light. Already installed the interior light, so let's get this off. Halogen reverse. So, oh man, you can't see. Here it is. I have to pop it off. Alright guys, so once you pop this off, this is pretty much the only one right here in the middle. This is your reverse. Twist it and pull it off. There's your stock reverse bulb. We're gonna just pull it straight out of here. And you replace it with. Just plugged in this one. We're gonna go ahead and do this side. Same thing. There's this slot here, you can pull it off. Comes off. There's your bulb. Twist. Once you have this, just unplug it. So here's the difference from the old one to the new. So I got both sides plugged in. Before I put it in, I'm just gonna test to make sure it works. Alright, let's put this back in. Match up the slots. And twist, and it should be on there. Alright, all done. Here it is, guys. There's a reverse light. Super bright. Look at the floor, it even lights up. Super easy install. Definitely bright, so check this out, guys. So here's how bright it lights up. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Until next time.